Okay, so here begins the countdown. Rotary Club of Panjimi Town welcomes you to the second Grand All Goa Inter-School Quiz Competition, making it through to the finals on a tiebreaker, qualifying for the finals as the last team and getting the top spot in the finals, grabbing a podium finish or snatching away the top prize on the last question, working out a question which you have no idea about and getting it correct. The buzzer round race, the rapid fire adrenaline rush. These are only a few of the great experiences one can get by quizzing. It's an unexplainable feeling. So, what are we waiting for? Let's quiz! Final Glow Rotary Quiz Bowl Goa, brought to you by Rotary Club of Panjimi Town. The preliminary written round of the Final Glow Rotary Quiz Bowl Goa was held last Saturday at two centers in North and South Goa, and the correction round was held last Sunday. Each school was allowed to put up only one team of 3 students each of standards 7, 8th, and 9th. The 6 finalist teams here today are the top 6 teams of North and South Goa districts overall. It's now time to welcome the teams for the finals. Team 1, presenting to you Team 1, St. Joseph Institute, Vasco da Gama, represented by Sanvi Sunil Naik, Zain Andrea Carvalho, and Sanvi Mahesh Madgaonkar. The next team is Team 6 from Bhatikar Model High School, Gogol, Madgaon, represented by David Camilos Vaz, Dainesh Kumar Rathod, and Yudhan Yogesh Sambari. Then we have Team 2 from Saraswat Vidyalaya High School, Khorlim, Mapsa, represented by Atharva Anil Arolkar, Shivam Sumit Naik, and Chinmay Rajesh Paste. That's now the Team 5 from Dr. K.B. Hedgewar High School, Kujira, represented by Darsh Tamba, Saurav Shaurya Sawant, and Srinivas Dalvi. The next is Team 3 from Dr. K.B. Hedgewar Vidya Mandir, Karapur Tisk, Sankri, represented by Rudra Sawant, Arnav Parvatkar, and Manas Shet Kanekar. And last but not the least, Team 4 from People's High School, Mala Panji, represented by Kunal Jha, Naitik Sanjay Narve, and Tanay Shailesh Dharangutti. He grew up in Goa, where he won many inter-school quiz contests. He has written the definitive article on quiz for the Encyclopedia Britannica. His first quiz book, Three's a Quiz, was written from memory. Please welcome our professional quiz master from Quizar, Sanat Pai Raikar.
Welcome to the finals of the Final Glow Rotary Quiz Bowl of Goa 2023-24. My name is Sanat, I'm your quiz master today. We've had a very tightly contested preliminary round on the 10th of February. A lot of schools from North and South Goa contested. We had the top 6 teams here with us today. Give them a big hand, wish them the best of luck. And I know for sure we are going to have a cracker of a final today. So in today's final, we have 6 rounds. The first 4 rounds will feature direct questions to each team. If you don't know the answer, it's going to pass. In the 5th round, we are going to have a buzzer round, where the team with the fastest fingers will get a chance to really advance their score. And the 6th round will be a rapid fire round where each of you will get 90 seconds to answer 10 questions. So, best of luck, everyone. Let's move to round 1 and take a quick look at the rules before we begin. So, in round 1, round 1 is about the states of India. We're going to start with team 1. If it's your direct, you'll have 30 seconds to answer the question. You can choose to pass, or either way, the 30 seconds will pass through. If you get the right answer, you get 10 points. If you do not get the right answer, or if you pass the question, it passes to the next team, and so on until someone gives the right answer. Any right answer is 10 points. So even if it passes to you and you give the right answer, you will get 10 points. Now, let's say the right answer is given by, let's say, team 3. The next question will then go to team 4. So it's going to circle like that so that, it's a little fairer to everyone. Everyone gets a chance to, get the passes. When I pass the question, wait for me to prompt you before you answer. So until I ask you, okay, team 5 or team 4, give me the right answer. Wait for me to do that before you give the answer. Don't give the answer out of turn. So the first question will be to team 1. Team 1, are you ready? Okay, let us begin. Here's your first question. According to legend, which capital city of an Indian state was originally named after the younger brother of Lord Rama and was called Lakshman Puri? Which capital city of an Indian state?
Lucknow.
Lucknow, are you sure?
Yes.
Right answer, 10 points to team 1. Great answer there. Lucknow, of course, used to be called Lakshman Puri. Now it is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Great answer there by team 1. Let's move on to the next question, which is to team 2. Team 2, here's your question. Which Indian state's tourism department uses the tagline, God's own country, to showcase its natural beauty?
Kerala.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Another right answer, 10 points to team 2. Great answer there. Kerala, of course, as you can see, a lot of natural beauty. They've used the tagline, God's own country, for their tourism campaign for many years now. It's worked out really well for them. Great. So, two right answers in the first two questions, and the next question will now go to Team 3. Team 3, here's your question. In which Indian state will you find Majuli, the world's largest river island? The state is also known as the home of the Indian rhino.
Assam.
10 points to Team 3. Assam it is. 3 on 3 there. That, of course, is the Indian rhino you see there, found in the Kaziranga National Park, which is in Assam. So, 3 questions, 3 right answers. One could say a great start to the quiz for the first 3 teams. Our next question, of course, is to Team 4. Team 4, here's your question. Which city in the state of Haryana is known as the land of the Bhagavad Gita and was the site of an epic battle?
Panipat.
Panipat is unfortunately the wrong answer. I'll have to pass the question to Team 5.
Kurukshetra.
Team 5 gets 10 points. Kurukshetra is the right answer. So the epic battle is, of course, the battle of the Mahabharata between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. And that is where the Bhagavad Gita was recited by Krishna to Arjuna during the battle. So Team 5, good steal there with 10 points. And the next question will now go to Team 6. So Team 6, here is your question. Which city is located at the geographical center of India? It is also famous as a trading center for oranges grown in the area.
Hello. Nagpur?
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're sure? I am sure. 10 points to Team 6. Great answer there. Team 6, 10 points. And we now go back with the next direct question to Team 1. Team 1, here's your question. Which historical city was located at what is currently Hampi in Karnataka? It was the capital of an empire with the same name, which translates to City of Victory.
Vijayanagar.
A very quick answer and a very quick 10 points to Team 1. Vijayanagar it is, which literally translates to City of Victory. The Vijayanagar Empire, which was one of the largest empires in the Indian subcontinent for many years. Great answer there by Team 1. And we have 2 more questions in this round. Our next question is going to go to Team 2. Team 2, here's your question. Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in South Asia. Its name means stream end in the Meitei language. It is known for the only floating national park in the world and features several indigenous species. Which state of India is this lake in? Team 2.
Kashmir.
Kashmir is the wrong answer. Team 2. I will pass the question to Team 3.
Ladakh.
Not Ladakh. Ladakh is technically not a state, it's a union territory. But either way, that's not it. Passes to Team 4.
Maharashtra.
Not Maharashtra. Team 4. Question passes to team 5.
ओडिशा
Not Orissa. Team 5 goes to team 6.
Manipur.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What makes you think it's Manipur?
Because Maiti is a tribe in Manipur. So
Very well worked out. 10 points to team 6. The Meitei tribe, so that by the way is a visual of the Loktak Lake. You can see the natural beauty there. It is actually a floating national park. There are pieces of land within the lake which move around, one of the wonders of Asia almost, and very well worked out there. The Meitei tribe has been in the news of late because of a lot of events happening in Manipur. Great answer, team 6. Which means the last question of the round is a direct to team 1 once again. Team 1, here is your question. The statue of social justice is a 206 feet tall statue dedicated to B.R. Ambedkar. It was completed in January 2024. In which city on the banks of the Krishna River?
Bangalore.
Can you repeat that, sorry?
Bangalore.
Not Bangalore, it's not on the Krishna River. Passes to team 2. Team 2 passes to team 3. Team 3, I need an answer. Team 3 passes to team 4. Team 4, I need an answer. I'll have to pass you. Team 4 passes to team 5.
दिल्ली
Delhi. Not Delhi, not on the Krishna River. Passes to team 6.
Bihar.
Not Bihar, not a city technically. I was looking for a city on the banks of the Krishna River. I think it has passed all the way around. It was the direct to team 1. So the Krishna River actually originates and then flows mostly through the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So there's a city in Andhra Pradesh. Anyone from the audience who wants to shout out the answer? Hyderabad. Not Hyderabad. Vijayawada is the right answer. I heard it there. So Vijayawada is where the statue has come up, and with that we come to the end of round 1, which was about states of India. And before we go to round 2, we're going to take a very short break to look at the scores. But as you can see, we had a very interesting first round on the states and maybe in some cases union territories of India. Of course, the list has changed over time. Manipur was once a kingdom, which is now a state. Ladakh, one of the answers, used to be a part of a state, which is Jammu and Kashmir, but now it is a union territory. And a lot of things have moved around elsewhere as well. There were provinces which were parts of state earlier, which are now states of their own. For example, Meghalaya. So it's a lot of possibilities there to do with states of India. Unfortunately, I could only put 8 questions here, but there are potentially many more interesting facts that can come out just about the states and the union territories of India.
The scoreboard after round 1. Team 1, St. Joseph Institute, is at 20 points. Sorry, team 1 that was. Team 2, Saraswat Vidyalaya High School, is at 10 points. Team 3, Dr. K.B. Hedgewar Vidya Mandir Karapur, is at 10 points. Team 4, People's High School Mala, is yet to open their score. Team 5, Dr. K.B. Hedgewar High School Kujira, is at 10 points. And Team 6, Bhatikar Model High School, Gogol Madgaon, is at 20 points. So we have 2 leading the table at the moment.
This program was supported by Agio All Stars Sale.